Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix QuickBooks balance not matching issues quickly. Yeah, if your account balances in QuickBooks don't match your bank statement, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to reconcile accounts, but most of the time, it's actually a simple fix once you follow a few key steps. So first, review all your transactions carefully. Check for missing entries, duplicate payments, or incorrect amounts that can cause the balance to be off. Next, make sure all deposits and withdrawals are recorded correctly. Yeah, even a small mistake like entering a check amount incorrectly can throw off your balance. After that, reconcile your accounts regularly. Compare QuickBooks balances with your bank statements line by line to identify any discrepancies. Also, check for uncleared transactions. Sometimes, pending or uncleared items can make your QuickBooks balance appear different from your bank. And yeah, ensure your QuickBooks software is fully updated. Updates can fix bugs related to calculations and reporting, which helps maintain accurate balances. Finally, if the discrepancy continues, use the QuickBooks Reconcile tool or contact support for help. Most of the time, these steps will resolve balance mismatches and get your accounts accurate again. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.